Hey guys, we received this balbali travel kettle dual voltage 100 to 250 volt for test and try. So this is a 12 ounce portable water boiler or the warmer and the four preset temperature control, and you can see like it's a really nice quality here with this power outlet thing that you can put in the power. The bottom is also like non-slip, and from the top, if there is any heat or to pass out the steam, this is a nice stainless steel material inside. That's look really nice and premium. So you can use it anywhere in the world because of the 100 to 250 volt thing. So that's a pretty nice thing that you can take it anywhere. So it's very good for the traveling, and also like a thick power cable, so high quality. So just let me just put it in and then just put it in the power outlet. With material and the quality looks nice, even in the hand it looks nice. So I just put in some water and then keep on. So there is four temperature setting that I will show it to you. So 212, 153, you can see at 212, 140, 155. So they are like all these different temperature, 140, 175, 195, 212. You set on one heating and then you can see the temperature increasing pretty fast. So it's very, less time consuming and nice material thing. Cleaning is also easy. And you can see how fast the temperature is increasing and the water is ready with the beep. And you can just take out the water and it's all warm water. So it's a pretty cool thing. You can just keep it store and drink from there as well.